kids, we're back, and we're going to show you the Pacific Ocean, which is one of the marine biomes. Now, we are going to show you all about the ocean and its mystery. We'll show you from the low tide pool to the deep ocean. Now we're going to tell you about the intertidal zone. Here is where the high tide line is and the low tide line is. The animals that live here are frequently exposed to crashing waves on them and changing temperatures, and all of a sudden exposed to air. It's kind of rough living here, but the animals that do live here usually suction onto rocks and have a tight grip. Those animals are animals like starfish, sea anemones, some octopus, and barnacles, animals like that. Let's talk about the surface zone. This is where the light penetrates through because it only goes about 100 meters down. Now, algae grows in this area. The algae is the producers, which is like the base of the ocean food web.
Tuna, like, the fish, they rely on the algae because they eat the algae. So they're the second step on the food chain. Do you know what that's called?
The food web.
Of course.
Now we're going to talk about the neritic zone. The neritic zone is kind of like a long shelf. It stretches way out. It's called the continental shelf. Now, animals that live here are like large schools of fish and long, tall kelp that grows up there. Really tall. Now we're going to show you the deep part of the open ocean that lies under the surface zone. This area is so dark. There's no sunlight that shines in this area. So, the animals that live here, they have to get their food by organisms that die and sink down to where they live. In this part of the ocean, there's really bizarre and crazy looking animals that live here.
Yep. An example of them is the deep sea goldberg. They have this little flashlight thing that hangs down so they can even see down there. Now let's get a better look at this deep sea ocean. Oh, it's so deep and mysterious. Look at that.
We have to shine the light of the submarine down here.
Yep. Okay. Well, now
let's dive in and see what's in store for us down there. Here we are, and as you see, we're at the tide pools. Here we've got a little crab friend. Here we go.
oh, look how neato he is.
Look at him. Whoa. Now we have some sea snails that you see here, and here are another colony of sea snails. Here in the ocean we have some shrimp. These shrimp are called bamboo shrimp.
Here in the tide pools, there are many starfish that cling to rocks.
Here in the reefs of the neritic zone, you find tons of little colorful fish everywhere you go. Here we are under the water, and here we see some fish in this new coral reef where all the plants grow. Here we are at a coral reef. In this reef is home to many animals like different fish. Here we have a sea urchin, some sea urchins, and a nice snail, and lots of coral.
There's a worm.
Lots of coral and different kind of things. And here we have an albino blood parasitulate fish. And here are some other ones. These are African cichlids and electric yellow African cichlids. Yeah, look at that color. Oh, and there's another albino one hiding behind the rock. Here's a clownfish. These little guys live in the sea anemones. That's their home. It protects Ocean exploration. Yep, and I think we're ready to dive back up. Hey gang, we're back from our undersea voyage.
Yep, we showed you some nice crabs and shrimp in the tide pools, some exotic schools of fish from the Naraka zone.
Yep.
And lots of deep down undersea adventures.
We've showed you tons of animals. Some of those animals are even endangered.
Yep.
We've got a way cool scientist here to talk about what he's done. So, let's welcome Dr. Elliot Weiland. So, Elliot, tell us a little about what you study.
Well, I study the plants and animals of the ocean, from little tiny plankton to big blue whales. And a fact about the ocean is that there's millions of life forms that we haven't even discovered yet.
Whoa, that's so cool! Thanks for coming, Al. Well, that's it for the ocean biome. Just remember, the ocean biome is so unique because freshwater biomes, they're usually a bit smaller. There's lots of fish, but not as cool as ocean fish. Ocean fish come in big and small, and they're colorful too. Now, the ocean is unique for its crashing waves all the time, and high and low tide.
If you listen closely, you can even hear them.
I hear them. I do too. And the ocean doesn't get as cold as places like tundras or ice caps. And it's very, very different from rainforests because it doesn't have tall trees or anything, because their trees are underwater, like coral and kelp and other plants like that. So, thanks for watching. Catch you next time. Bye. So, you know, the ocean's pretty unique for all the... What the heck? We were doing good. Thanks. That completes our... wait, should I... okay, that completes our ocean exploration.
And let's welcome Mr. Dr. Lillian.
Oh, thank you. Oh, fuck. Ow. Thank you, Elliot.
Oh, thank you. Really bizarre fish and other kinds of organisms lay... Okay, wait. Really bizarre. Okay, I'm ready. Really bizarre. I can't do it. Ah! I'm losing my voice. I sing. Okay. Oh gosh. Okay. Okay. Do I have to say bizarre?
No.
Okay. Really interesting.
Do you want me to just say?
No.
Let me just say really bizarre animals, and then you can explain what the animals are.